Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here and just stopping in, I want to personally welcome you and hope that you either subscribe and or like or comment the video on it as well and let me know what you think. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. I absolutely am obsessed with all things paper, planner, washi, stickers, everything like that. And I really just like to share what I love. I do have an affiliate link if you choose to order straight from the Happy Planner website. Some things are only exclusive on the website. Other than that, I personally like to order or buy from Michael's or Joann's, but I'm kind of going off on a tangent. Anyways, in this video, I am decorating my vertical catch-all planner, and that simply just means that I use this planner for pretty much everything. I write down appointments, fun things. I write down when my dogs need to take their monthly medications. I write down when my husband has to work out of town, just like really everything. So, and each week I pick a different theme, which, you know, everyone does. But for me, I am a no white space planner. I like to completely fill in the entire page with no white space. And that's what I like to do. And I really can't help it. I even try to do a white space planner and it just doesn't feel right. I really just want to fill in the entire page. I want to use as many stickers as possible. I want to write as much as possible. I want to do it all. So anyways, for this week, I'm using the Girl Power sticker book. And this has a lot of like 90s retro vibes. And I really, really like it. I love the jean jackets. I love the cool font, the retro smiley faces, and the sunglasses and the cute lollipops, like all of that. And then, of course, all the different quotes of, you know, doing amazing things and that girls can do it and yes, you can, and, you know, do what makes you happy, no bad days, just like stuff like that. I just think it's really like positive and cute and fun. And then, of course, the flowers, like those sunflowers, I find to be really, really adorable. I end up putting like a really big one in the middle of Monday and Tuesday. I think that turned out to be really, really cute. And I had a lot of fun creating this spread. I thought that I needed to, you know, use all of the stickers, but I really didn't want to use any of the purple or the green per se. You know, I really wanted to stick to the primary colors of just red, blue, and yellow, and then a little bit of pink. But yeah, something different this week. I am officially getting back, like actually getting back into exercising in some way every single day. I think that I have put it off for too long. I've made excuses for way too long, but I need to be healthy, like not just because I have, you know, like many people, gained weight over this whole thing of having to stay home so much or like choosing to stay home so much. But I'm really doing it for my heart. You know, I want to be healthy for my family later on down the road and just in general. So I'm putting down a box to write in how many steps I'm doing every single day. And I've already been on a very good start for this week. I got close to, if not right at, 9,000 steps on Monday. So that was amazing. I went on a super long walk. I went around the neighborhood 3 times. So that was really great. And yeah, I just think that this week it just feels like a really fresh start. There's something about this week. Of course, every single week is a fresh start, but this week in particular, I feel like kind of invigorated. Like really ready to start something new and get on a good track and everything really be organized. And I have a lot of really great ideas planned for you guys for videos and stuff like that, and different pages that I want to make, all sorts of stuff. So I'm really excited for this new beginning, and I want you guys to get excited as well. And definitely let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you want to be seeing, things that you have maybe searched for in terms of planning videos, and maybe you've searched for them but you haven't been able to find them. Let me know. I honestly can talk about this stuff until the cows come home. Like, legitimately, ask me anything and I have the answer. I think that I know I've been doing and using stickers and planners hardcore for 7 years now, and maybe even 8. Oh yeah, actually 8. Yeah, because I got it in 2013. But anyways, I'm kind of blabbing. I don't know. I just am making this voiceover and filling in all the time. But hopefully you guys like this kind where I'm not just putting music over top where you can just watch, but where you can listen to me talk as well. I don't know. So I'm just trying a few different things. Also, wondering if you guys noticed the different quality of this video. I found out how to record in a much higher resolution, so it was definitely harder to edit the video because it is such high quality. Like, it wasn't letting me slide the thing. Anyways, it was much more difficult, but I want to make the best quality for you guys. So let me know if you noticed before I even said anything, and that would be great. I love to interact with you guys and get all the sweet comments of saying, I love your videos. I love how you edit them. I love, your no white space, your positivity, all those different things. Like, whatever you think, I love to hear it. Even constructive criticism. Like, I've had someone say, the volume was super low. Your ring light was making a glare, all whatever. Honestly, I just really want to hear from you guys. And of course, if you're not already, make sure that you're subscribed. That helps me out a ton to see how many of you guys are wanting to come back for more. And then, of course, liking and commenting is huge for me. So anyways, the rest of the spread is pretty much filled in. I, for the most part, just put pretty large stickers at the beginning, and then as the week goes on, I write in, things that I'm doing and things that I have going on, and then from there, I fill in with more stickers. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.